Hello, welcome to the channel. So in today's little project, we're gonna try to organize my tool cabinet. I have Dewalt tools in there, they're all over the place, and I've been wanting to dedicate just one shelf just for my Dewalt stuff, and I think it's time. So it's gonna be fun. We're gonna go ahead and try to organize it the best we possibly can. So don't forget to like and follow. We have great videos coming and you don't wanna miss them. Some of the links below do help out the channel. We're trying to grow, can't do it without your support. So let's get right to it. All right, so this is what I see on a daily basis. It kind of drives me insane. So we are going to dedicate this one shelf for the Dewalt, maybe this one or this one, I'm not really sure yet. This is my son's car detailing stuff. He does it part-time, still goes to college. He loves the industry. Right now he's working on this beautiful Harley Davidson, full detail, ceramic coated. The customer was really happy when he did his SUV, so he's got more work for him for the future. He only does it on the weekends, but he's kind of taking over my cabinet. I ordered another one of the 48-inch from Craftsman. It should be coming in soon, so that way he could have his dedicated cabinet for all the car detailing stuff, and then I'll have my cabinet, back to me. So, with that said, let's get right to it. Also, I use this little carpet, that's got rubber under it. I buy it at Home Depot, whenever I need to put it inside the cabinets to protect the metal shelves, and also helps, the tools not move around. So, I really like that little option with the carpet. So let's go ahead and get to it. I'm super excited. So, like I mentioned before, this is the carpet. It's got a little rubber part on the bottom so it doesn't slide around. So, very nice. I did it to both shelves. So we're going to work on these two for now, and then we'll work on the bottom ones. But, gave it a nice little ceramic coating spray just to maintain it. Because, Craftsman, the cabinets, they kind of get discolored. So I got to do the outside too. But that's another day. Alright, so finally done. It looks pretty decent. I am going to permanently put some lighting inside the cabinet. That's kind of like temporary. So it looks pretty good. Very happy. All my low Dewalt stuff. Alright guys, then thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next. All right.